Today's all business. Let's cast some League of Legends.
Incarnation now set to pick up a few kills for himself. Lemonation a few last hits. This one is going the long haul. Flares under the turret. Cloud9 take down enemy. Remember the ultimate's downward rush. Has the gap closed. The double kill coming in for the Poke Apollo. Now Santorin could be the one going down. Team Impulse takes down TSM.
Okay, I'm gonna smite at 1.5k.
Right side.
Nice.
Bump. Go. Nice.
Peter, go.
Nice.
Counterlogic Gaming definitely showing a true change in the slump.
You guys
Peter,
give me
I got
gifts?
you the best gift of all.
Dude,
I'm leaving the team.
Your gift is tomorrow we're playing Protect the Double Lift.
Charms up. Good flash by Altsec with the flash Q. Got him. Pentakill for Shifter.
A 14-minute pentakill.
Finish it. Okay, let's go.
What an absurd game this was.
No crit. Oh, shot man. TP re-engaged for Calitros means a bad thing for TDK. Kez rooted up, knocked down.
A very unfortunate but somehow fitting end for TDK.